Okay, good morning, y'all. It is currently 9:33. We woke up a little bit early at 8:30 and we're gonna go get some breakfast, and I have to go do my oil change, so I'm hoping I get there in a decent amount of time where it's not like 2.5 hours, but I am fully prepped for that for him, and we're just gonna go ahead and get on with today's vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jeanette. This is Joshua, my 1.5-year-old or 18-month-old. I am a mom, student, and a stay-at-home mom and a wife. So I do any of those realms of content. I also like to do lifestyle planning. So if you like this content, feel free to subscribe or just watch, whatever the case may be. And I also do cleaning videos as well. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the vlog, and it's nice to see you here, and hopefully you stay. And yeah. Okay, so we just made it to the breakfast place, and we're gonna go eat right above us. Yeah. What? Okay, so we're at the dealership, and I just got notice that there are 2 recalls on my car, which is kind of disappointing. I don't know like the specifics of them. I know one is like an emergency jack, but I don't know like what that means. And then there's also something software update, and they both came out last month, June 24th and June 10th. So they're gonna try and do my oil change, but if they can't do my oil change, then they will order the parts and then let me know. So hopefully I don't have to come back here for like the millionth time, but it's going to be anywhere from 2 to 3 hours if they can do it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Baby is currently asleep, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. What you doing, you goofball? What you doing?
Hurrah!
Hurrah? We can't put hurrah on that TV. That TV is for everyone. Yeah, that TV's for everyone. We have to share. Yeah. Dad just sleeping. Yeah. No. Joshua Lee, come here. Joshua, come here. Hi. And I think it's gonna be sad this weekend because it's supposed to be my grandmother's birthday on the 4th, and this is the second year that we don't celebrate with her. Yeah, so it's the second year that we don't celebrate with her, and I mean, she wasn't big into fireworks either way, but something just doesn't feel right about doing fireworks or doing anything, so we're probably just gonna sit at home, honestly. And then this is as exciting as it gets, is me doing my oil change. And yeah, my husband has a few days off, I think until Tuesday, and then... Are you enjoying yourself? 5.5 hours. We're still here because there was a recall, and I guess they had the parts and they were fixing the recalls, but now I don't know, it's been a long 5 hours. So, and he's getting anxious. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it, but he is. Say hi. Okay, go mwah. No? Okay. And now we are out to... Hi, baby. What did you get for dinner?
I didn't.
What did you get?
I didn't.
What did you get though?
No.
You did too? Don't be shy. What did you get? Yeah, Dada. Do you see yourself too?
No.
Yeah. Did you get mac and cheese? You got mac and cheese? Say cheese. Yeah. Cheese. Can you say mac and cheese? Okay, say bye-bye. Say hi. Oh my god.
No, that's
Okay, I was like, but I didn't see anything. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day, 4th of July, and we are filling up the swimming pool. And Nugget is in here right now. And so yeah, this is what we're doing. We're filling it up. And he's swimming in a big pool for the first time. And we just want to wish you a happy 4th. Can we say happy 4th of July, everyone? Say happy 4th of July. Say happy 4th. Yeah? It's not a bath, it's a pool. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July and happy birthday, Nana. We
Yes,
love you.
We love you. Mwah. And it's starting to rain of all days.
But we're gonna swim.
Yeah, but we're gonna swim. So we are celebrating the 4th right now. It's really windy. We're filling up a swimming pool. Everyone's gonna swim. And then we have hot dogs, watermelon, chips, dip, Oreos,
Ice cream
sandwiches, sodas, you name it. And we're gonna enjoy the day. There's Poop Poop. There's the Chubble Wubbles. There's the Bebis. Baby. Say happy birthday, Nana. Yeah. Say love you, Nana.